Don't blink. Giant machines are dominating the green forest. Imagine the roar of chainsaws tearing through the air, heavy-duty log trucks rolling and crushing every terrain. This is the game of mechanical monsters. Super productive integrated wood harvesters, lightning-powerful wood splitters, and sharp saw blades that cut through every tree trunk. These are not just tools, but symbols of power and efficiency in the modern logging industry. While working in a remote mountainous area, an unexpected tragedy unfolded when a tree harvesting machine suddenly erupted in flames. Despite all efforts to extinguish the fire and salvage the equipment, the blaze spread too rapidly, leaving no room for recovery. The incident resulted in catastrophic losses, with damages reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. Initial assessments suggest that inadequate maintenance, overheating, or mechanical failure may have sparked the fire, raising critical questions about whether routine inspections and stricter safety protocols could have averted the disaster. Moving forward, the focus must be on conducting a thorough investigation to identify the root cause, implementing robust safety measures, and securing comprehensive insurance coverage to safeguard against future risks. Indonesia, with its vast forest area, is one of the countries with the richest forest resources in the world. The logging industry here is thriving, especially in dense forests like Kalimantan. And in this industry, trucks become silent heroes that help transport wood from the forest to the outside, no matter how harsh the conditions. Giant trucks such as Mercedes-Benz, Renault, Nissan Tizaye, Volvo, or Scania have become familiar symbols in arduous journeys. A truck can transport up to 50 cubic meters of wood, equivalent to 60 tons or even more, creating a huge and challenging mass. The scene of the giant truck carrying wood struggling through muddy roads, swaying and tilting under the terrible weight is truly impressive. In the video, the driver seems to have to fight for every centimeter, constantly controlling the vehicle through muddy roads, trying to keep the vehicle from sliding off track. Every moment is a challenge, but it is these trucks that make miracles, bringing wood from deep forests out, contributing to maintaining the rhythm of Indonesia's logging industry. In this video, we see the felling of a large tree that is leaning heavily in one direction and showing signs of decay. This poses a number of dangers as the tree could fall prematurely or collapse due to internal damage. To avoid this dangerous situation, the operator used a little trick. He tied the trunk close to the cutting point to keep the tree stable. He also made a pre-cut, which allowed for better visibility and better control over the cutting process. Once ready, he continued cutting from above and made sure the hinge was in place, allowing the tree to fall safely to the ground. The process went very smoothly, with the tree falling in the right direction and as planned, although the inside of the tree was a bit hollow. Overall, everything went perfectly and the operator was quite pleased with the result.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel.
This wood splitter is designed to efficiently chop wood in just 12 minutes, providing enough firewood to last for 3 days of winter. It features 3 distinct cutting and chiseling components: a wedge-shaped blade for splitting round logs, a circular knife for cutting sawmill offcuts and branches of various tree species, including hardwoods, and a low-speed screw mechanism that delivers immense force to split tough, dense wood. This versatile design ensures optimal performance for a range of wood types, making it an invaluable tool for any woodcutting task. In this video, we have compiled impressive footage of harvesters working to harvest wood in the forest. Each machine demonstrates superior strength and the ability to work effectively, quickly completing difficult tasks in harsh environments. These machines not only help increase labor productivity, but also reduce human effort, ensuring safety during the wood harvesting process. An indispensable factor for these machines to fully utilize their capacity is the ingenuity and operating experience of the operators. These people are not only technical experts, but also have a deep understanding of the working environment, helping the machines operate stably and effectively. Thanks to the perfect combination of modern technology and operating skills, these machines are increasingly becoming useful and indispensable tools in the logging industry, helping to save time, costs, and improve productivity in a sustainable way. Firewood production with the Easton-made wood splitters 37D log splitter is a game changer for anyone looking to efficiently process large amounts of firewood. This powerful splitter effortlessly handles tough, thick logs, turning them into perfectly split pieces with speed and precision. The 37D's robust design and exceptional hydraulic power make quick work of even the most challenging logs, reducing labor and time spent on the task. Whether for personal use or larger-scale firewood production, the Easton-made 37D ensures a smooth, reliable experience every time. The homemade wood splitter, exquisitely designed with a combination of flywheel, track module, geared shaft, motor, cutter, and self-welding frame, works very effectively in splitting wood. It is impressive that he made this machine himself to serve the family's wood-splitting needs, not only meeting the job well, but also helping to save maximum costs. The creativity and technique in making the machine shows self-reliance and high economic efficiency. The new Ponce Scorpion King with the H7 is demonstrating impressive performance at Technik Süd, Germany. With its robust design and advanced technology, this saw enables precise and efficient cutting of wood, quickly processing large trees even in harsh conditions. The H7 is equipped with outstanding features, making cutting and processing wood easy, thereby increasing productivity and saving time. The combination of Ponce and H7 marks a major step forward in logging technology, bringing optimal efficiency to the job. This impressive machine was able to clear 86 acres of land covered in fairly dense vegetation in just 8 hours. Its efficiency and power allowed for rapid vegetation removal, making the clearing process much easier and faster than traditional methods. The homemade wood splitter, designed using a flywheel in combination with a 4-track module and a geared shaft, has proven its durability and outstanding performance after 5 years of use. Important components, such as the track module and geared shaft, manufactured at the Kremenchuk plant, are still operating reliably and without major breakdowns. This reflects the high quality of construction and the suitability of mechanical components, which allows the homemade wood splitter to maintain good performance, meeting the needs of long-term use without major repairs.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Let's take a look at the process of cutting down a 70-year-old mahogany tree using two Stihl MS-651 and MS-382 chainsaws. Both saws demonstrate outstanding power and performance in handling dense hardwood trees. The Stihl MS-651 is equipped with a 63.3 cubic centimeter engine, 4.5 horsepower, and a saw blade length of up to 20 inches, 50 centimeters. This is a powerful saw, ideal for large tree felling jobs and can easily cut through old trees. The design of the MS-651 reduces vibration and increases stability, providing a comfortable user experience. The Stihl MS-382, with a 38.2 cubic centimeter engine and 3.2 horsepower, is compact and easy to control, suitable for small to medium tree felling jobs. With a 16-inch, 40 centimeters blade length, this saw is powerful yet easy to operate in a variety of conditions. Both saws stand out for their durability and safety features, allowing users to work efficiently for long periods of time without difficulty. Overall, the Stihl MS-651 is the ideal choice for heavy-duty jobs, while the Stihl MS-382 is suitable for lighter jobs while still providing excellent performance. It was impressive to see the Hypro 755 HB wheel-mounted tractor processor at work in Sweden, equipped with the Hypro FG 45 felling grapple. It was extremely powerful, cutting logs quickly and accurately, showing excellent performance in harsh forest environments. Furthermore, when equipped with the standard gripper, the machine still showed outstanding performance in handling basic logging tasks. Both grippers have their own advantages, but the combination of the Hypro FG 45 felling grapple provides outstanding power and precision, making it a reliable tool in the forestry industry. The Barco 937B is a feller buncher used in the forestry industry, designed to efficiently cut and harvest trees. It is usually equipped with a powerful hydraulic system and precision cutting tools, which help to quickly and effectively handle large and difficult-to-cut trees. The Barco 937B is especially notable for its flexible mobility, working on rough terrain, and being able to harvest trees such as pine, oak, and other hardwoods. It is one of the modern machines used in logging and clearing forest land. Trembesi tree near the house involved two of the most powerful chainsaws available, the Stihl MS-881 and the Husqvarna 312 0XP, both operated by a professional chainsaw operator. Both saws are considered excellent tools for heavy-duty woodcutting. The Stihl MS-881, with its 121.6 cubic centimeter engine and 6.4 horsepower, is designed to cut through large, dense trees with ease and precision. Meanwhile, the Husqvarna 312 0XP, with its 118.8 cubic centimeter engine and 6.5 horsepower, is no less powerful, excelling at handling hardwoods and demanding heavy-duty timbers. After the Trembesi tree was felled and the logs were cut to size, they were transported to Japara, an area known for its woodworking industry. Here, Trembesi wood will be crafted into high-quality furniture and wooden handicrafts.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Around 5 p.m. on Wednesday, ELS 501 made its way back north, stopping to switch at Alter Metal. They swapped the empty rail car for a loaded one, and trailing behind was a full load of pulpwood. This pulpwood was bound for LP in Sagola, where it would be processed into smart siding, a key material for modern construction. The entire operation was a seamless blend of logistics and precision, ensuring that the wood would be delivered efficiently for its next phase in the manufacturing process.
That share button and make a comment below. Get ready to wave to Ross. He's hiding over there. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The Komatsu 951XC/C164 and Komatsu 895 are both impressive in their performance. The Komatsu 951XC is powerful, easily maneuvering through harsh conditions while still providing excellent cutting performance. Meanwhile, the Komatsu 895 stands out for its superior power and high precision, making it easy to handle large logs in rough terrain. Both machines demonstrate impressive speed and efficiency in logging operations, offering a clear view of the future of forestry technology. It is exciting to see how far these machines have come in terms of performance and operability.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
The power of this tractor is truly impressive, especially when it can easily transport large logs, as large as itself, out of the forest full of obstacles. Even when faced with rough terrain, dense trees or rocks blocking the way, the tractor still shows its superior ability. With a powerful engine and a specially designed track system, the machine can firmly grip the road, helping to pull heavy logs without any problems. This is an indispensable tool in logging work, helping to increase productivity and save time in harsh terrain conditions where conventional vehicles have difficulty accessing. With over 30 years of experience as a logger in the western United States, the Pacific Northwest, and coastal British Columbia, I've always had a deep appreciation for the process of turning the logs we fell into useful products. Whether it's paper, pulp, or composite mills, each has its unique charm, but nothing compares to the timeless appeal of a traditional lumber mill. There's something truly captivating about watching them transform raw timber into board feet of slabs in all sizes. Some of those initial cants have incredible potential, especially as live-edge countertops, breakfast bars, or bar tops. Gorgeous pieces that bring the natural beauty of wood into everyday life. If you are excited about the power of these monsters, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more interesting content, and comment your opinion below. We would love to know what you think. Blast off.